was your idea again?
Get another battery.
Woo! Good God! What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching. All right, we finally made it to Beasley Knob. Third attempt, and the gate is open. What do you say? Yay! Yay! We're gonna find a spot to air down and get this party started. All right, we are officially at Beasley Knob. And we're airing down. We got the dyno, 40s, Lucas, 37s, Rob, you on 35s or 37s? 37s, and 40s. So this looks like to be the main trail, but we are gonna go up 93 first, as it's a nice loop. It should be pretty fun. All right, here's the rig lineup. The Rex on the 40s. We have our grinder on board, and our Sea Bear, and our Mr. Bay. Lucas, an Indoraptor, rocking those plastic valve caps. Hello, are you meditating? You sleeping?
I lost my...
What'd you lose? What'd you lose?
No, I lost my co-pilot.
Oh yeah?
Sleeping.
These are 33s?
37.
That's funny. Very nice. He's got the Hemi. And then we got this big guy here on his newly minted 40s, even newer than ours. Where are you hiding? Behind this dinosaur-sized vehicle. What's up? Say hello.
What's up? How are you doing?
What up? 40s.
40s.
So I have a 38 spare. You have a 37 spare. So we're close.
We should be fine.
Just overinflate, you know?
Yeah.
We'll be good. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take you through Trail 93 at Beasley Knob in Blairsville, Georgia, I believe it is. This was our third attempt to do Beasley. The first time, and I think even the second, Trail 93 was closed for trail maintenance. And the second time it was also, we were rained out. So luckily, third time's a charm. However, Trail 93 was not so charming. I don't know what maintenance they do over there, but needless to say, we did probably more in this one day than they did in the last couple months. So stay tuned and see what's coming next.
Who are you asking? I couldn't see you, so I was just trying to check.
You okay, Bear?
Got you, no, I'm good.
Look at them. No, I don't want to leave.
I'm catching up, I just want to go easy on these tires a little bit.
Well, Beasley Knob has left us with a pretty good sized tree here that's definitely not passable in its current position. So we're gonna have to break out the old chainsaw. Good thing we have it on board. Because Mr. Lucas, we don't have the chainsaw.
That's why you always have to have a chainsaw. No chainsaw.
I've got no rubbing.
Me either, not yet.
I'm like,
Say cheese. Whoa! Show me Mr. B.
Oh, baby.
I don't even think he knows it's a oh, now he does. Turtle.
Can I place it somewhere?
Yeah.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Look at the size of this tree. What was your idea again?
get another battery.
Is it out?
Smoke that
Yeah?
already.
Well, you've gone through almost the entire thing now.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's almost there.
And then we're up here.
The problem is now is it's wedging down.
Dude, I'm going to die if he just pulls that truck, pulls the tree and it just like. Give me a big cheese. Ah, what do? Oh, Mr. B. Give me a big cheese. Mr. B.
No, look.
Whoa. 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 Right here. Right behind you.
Yeah.
Turn the chainsaw on, do it again.
What?
Turn the chainsaw on, do it again.
That's not going to blow away. This is
6.5 hours later.
this is moving. It's going to crack here as well.
I heard it crack.
You could do it.
All right, hold it. Don't let it out. Keep it up.
Day 2. Day 3.
You guys come along?
Yeah, but look how much this is moving down here.
I'll start with the truck. This pole. I would say we need to cut a little bit more on the top. Yeah. That's right.
1 eternity later.
Hell yeah.
Only thing is like we can win to this drag.
Yeah. Just drag it down out of the way. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I think I would. This is long feet.
That thing cut, my little chainsaw cut the entire thing except that little,
Yeah.
that's wild. What's up guys, if you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. All right, here comes the Indoraptor. A little climb right here. See how he does. No problem. Little momentum.
I love this 37.
Yeah, good job, man. All right, here is Alex in the F-350. Oh, that's not it. Where is he? Somewhere in the jungle there. There he is. Ah!
He's on top of the weight room. Can somebody spot me backing up here? 1 second, I'm coming.
Looks like you can go straight back.
That's fine, but I'm sliding, so I want to know what I'm backing up into. Hold on, he's already in.
There's nothing behind you, man. No trees or anything. Just back up and slowly turn driver. All right, now there's a tree behind you, so I would not go any farther.
Got it, Rick. Hop out of the way.
Woo! Good God! Rob, Rubicon Wrangler 37s. Should have no issue here, except for maybe the small trench that Alex just dug out with his 10,000 pound F-350. No problem. Subscribe for more of this. This looks gnarly. Gonna get a running start, which is smart. Yeah, you did good. Nice. Here is Alex in the F-350 with the 40s that are partially bald. He is going to have a struggle. There's the breakover. All right, get off the trail, Shane. Here he comes. Yeah. You better get your boards, man. That's hill number 1.
Huge problem. Lose the brake, just this.
You're not transmitting.
Don't hold the brakes, you have to pull them. Hold on, Lucas, man.
Try number 2. The old Ford shut down at the top of this first hill. Come on. No.
Hold on, it's not coming out of first. 1 second. We're down to that next level.
Number 3. Oh my goodness. There he is, coming for you. Is he coming forward or backwards?
I've lost all momentum. Can I maybe have somebody spot out here to see what I should do? I think I'm gonna need a guide over here.
A guide?
Hit it.
Oh, don't give up there. He made it! He made it! Look at my cutie pie. Daddy dropped the ball big time and took Channy's boots out, left Reggie's dirty little baby boots in my truck. So Chan's riding the Crocs. Oh. All right, so we're having to winch Alex up tree to tree here because his front, not stabilizer bar, but I guess that big tie rod is what they call it, is have some play on the driver side threads with the jam nut. So he's worried it's gonna pull out and then he's gonna have a big time problem. So he's going winch tree to tree like a monkey so we can get out of here.
Wait, stop. Let's just go ahead and move it.
Good.
Yep. Ball it up and squeeze it in your mouth. Yeah. You got it. Hold it up here. You squeeze it? Don't eat it.
There's no water coming
Yes,
out.
there is. Here, you gotta squeeze it harder. Here, open up.
There's not.
Yeah. There's not that much water in it. Oh, sorry. You good?
Good.
Nature girl.
So Trail 93 proves to be the gift that just keeps giving. After we spent maybe 3.5, 4 hours cutting down that other tree with hand saws and the little 4 or 5 inch chainsaw we had on board, we run into essentially the tree of life from Jurassic World. And the funny part about it is Alex did not want to turn around. He wanted us to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy the largest chainsaw that they sell and see if we could cut through this because we were so close to the end of the trail. I don't blame him, but I'm happy it didn't work out like that. Look at this. Do you see this?
Coming back, Lucas.
Jan, do you see this?
Yeah.
A little bit like an open door. There is a big
My goodness, man. This is a dead end. We have to go all the way back down this trail. Alex is toast. You want my hold on. You want my 4-inch chainsaw to Look at this.
I don't think you got enough chain left on that chainsaw to cut through that.
The tree which stopped us, huh?
Where are you? Thank you, bye. Seconds.